Hey there, it's Aaron. In this video, I'm going to do some restoration of the image that is here on our screen. There are a number of things that I'm going to do as we move along here, so let's just get right into it. The first thing that I want to do is crop this paper frame out of existence. So let's do this. He doesn't need a lot of headroom in this case, and we'll bring it in just like so. Awesome. So that alone made a lot of difference for this image. Now, if I zoom in here, you're going to see that it is by no means a high resolution image. There's some detail here in fine hairs on the eyebrows, and fortunately there is a lot of nice shading gradients that will help during the coloring process. So what I want to do is we'll go ahead and export him as a PNG. We'll call him Mr. 1. So I'm going to take Mr. 1 over to another platform here on base 10, and it's called Photo Restoration with gfp-gan. And the way that it works is we're going to choose Mr. 1. It's going to quickly upload that. We're going to hit Restore Photo. There's our original. It's going to quickly process and send our upscaled version back to us. So we'll quickly download this. I see a difference already. We'll call him number 2. And let's open up Mr. 2 and compare apples to apples here. So here's number 2, here's number 1. So before and after. Look at the eyes. Before, after. It even helped to correct the issue that we were having with the iris down there. Before, after. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in here on the eye. Before, after. After. You'll see, you can even see the whites of his eyes now. That is incredible. So, we're looking good, bud. We just want to add some color to you. So in this case, I'm going to use palette.fm, and I'm going to use it in a bit of a workaround way, so to speak. So I'm going to come here to colorize on palette.fm, upload our image, and it has a number of different color palettes. You could think of them being similar to like Instagram filters, where they're going to color things in different ways to give you different results. So we'll try it here in the base. We'll also try natural and warm glow here, let those process. But our base palette, it looks like it did a fantastic job. The coloring of the skin tone is great. The hair toning is great. Let's check out this vivid natural. A little bit more brown, some more reds in the brown. Here, more like sepia. He's looking washed out though. So here on base, I think that looks really great. We'll download that. And let's open him up in Photoshop in his colorized form. So now what we have is upscaled and then colorized. But there's an issue. The issue is that the colorized version is actually the lowest resolution image that we've had so far. So you might ask yourself, why would we upscale to then downscale to an even lower resolution? Well, the reason is that we can steal the color from this image and use it over here on this image without affecting the resolution. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to copy the entire layer. We're doing this here. Copy the entire layer. We're going to create a new layer here, and we'll paste that guy. So as you can see, smaller because it's such a low resolution. Bring it right up to that corner. Going to hit Control T so that I can transform it and bring it right down to there. So now what we have is black and white and color. And zooming in, so it's low resolution, high resolution, low resolution, high resolution. But that's in the normal blend mode. We have several other blend modes to choose from. Right? And they're going to do different things to impact the image, some of them more significant than others. But there is one here that is called color. And what that does is it holds onto the color, but it doesn't hold on to the resolution. So here you can see when we go back and forward from color to black and white, it really does a seamless transition. So let's have a look at our gentleman here. We started off over here and we ended up here. So we ended up with color, sharpness, definition. You even look at his hair. It looks quite natural. There's some nice toning there. So overall, I would call this a success, and I hope that you learned a couple of things. Palette.fm is a great place to go and get your color tones, and then you can lay them on top of a nicely upscaled image and have all kinds of different options available to you. So there you go, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then like and subscribe to encourage me to make more of them, and I will see you the next time.